Hello, welcome to the continuation of this video. This is an example of a complex logo. Okay, so let's change the font of this one. Let's go to font. So the fonts we are using here, we are using Newton regular as the font. Newton regular as the font. Okay. Let me try and position it a little bit. Then for this phone number, you might try and change the font of the phone number also. Let me position it. The both of them must be aligned. Okay, make sure you do that they must be aligned, they must be on the same line, the both phone numbers. Now we need an icon. Since we are talking about phone number here, we need an icon for this. So you need to go to your Pinterest and you search for social media icon. You search for golden social media icon. So I don't need to do that, just do that with your phone. Now when you do that, you select our golden social media icon. Okay, I've already downloaded it, so I will just select part of the one that I've already downloaded here. You selected golden social media icon. It will be like this, as you can see. Okay, so I need that of WhatsApp there. That's the only thing I need there. Okay, I haven't done that. You click this plus icon again from gallery, you import it from gallery. Okay, now you see that we have a combination of social media icon here, so I will just select the only one that I want. I will crop it to the only one that I want, which is that of WhatsApp. I crop it, then I select OK. You can see that I don't even need to change the color matches automatically. Okay, I will just try and position it to the place that I want it. Then I will try and adjust the size. Okay, let me adjust the size a little bit. Okay, so from this first number I need to separate them by comma so that it will make sense. Okay, so let me drag this on a little bit. Okay, drag this on a little bit also. Okay, early graphics concept phone number is there. Early graphics concepts. Okay, so we have a perfect designer, and if you like you can still change the font of this early, but I love it like this. There's no need to change it. Early graphic concept, everything is showing clear and nice. So what I will have to do here, I want to do something here. We joined two things together. So I want to make sure this thing become a single logo. We have two things. This golden we have two things here. This we have this golden decoration, and we also have this one, this logo design, which is also golden, that we did before. So I want to match the two together. So how do I do that? So you press this place, just be watching the pointer on your screen. Press this place, okay. When you press it, now you will now select what you want to match. This is the golden logo that we are looking for. This one, that's the golden logo, and this is the second one here. Don't forget, the two of them want to match it together. But if you just match the two of them together, what of the text and everything? So that means we need to merge everything together and make sure everything become once. Make sure everything become a single thing. So what we have to do now is you click this icon, this one that I circle. When you click on it, it will allow you to select everything. You can see now that everything, we can select it using this box. We can select it using this box. Okay, so what we have to do now is you select them, you tick all those box. You want to merge everything together at once. Before you merge it, you have to cross check. Are you sure everything is showing? Look at our A is not showing very well, so I need to cross check. Okay, it's now showing now. There are no errors. Then I want to align that early graphic concept again. I think still need to adjust it a little bit to make sure that it is perfect. Let me shift this one a little bit. Okay, this one also a little bit. Okay, shift this one a little bit also. Okay, shift this one again a little bit. Okay, this one a little bit. Okay, now I think I have a better design now. Early graphic concepts, my phone number, early graphic concept. So let's merge it together. Press the same icon back. Okay, and press this one, so it will allow you to select everything, at once. So how do you now match? You press this third icon here, the third icon that I circled there. You press it, it will now ask you, are you sure you want to match? You press OK. So you can now see that everything has been converted to a single image. You can drag it the way you like. You can drag it, you can increase it the way you like. Nothing will shake. All right, nothing will shake. So I will just try and enlarge it a little bit. Okay, so this is the logo Let me just position it to center. Relative position, relative position to center. Now good. Early graphic concepts. So what you have to do now, I will just save as. When you save as project, you can come back and meet your design. I will just say 3D logo mockup or 3D logo, anyone. So I will now save. I want to save as image now. So let me just off my data. It's because of this data that I'm saying add. So I want to save as image now. Save as image. You select the ultra and you save. Now we have already saved. How do you now convert your image to 3D logo, 3D mockup? You can use two things. Number one that you can use is photo P. There is a video on photo P. It's very simple. When you design your logo like this that we have just done, that we have just finished, or we have just completed now, this is what we call 2D logo. It's in 2D now. But anything that is in form of rotation, or something that has already moved, that has already been rotated in different form, either S or Y axis. This one is 2D now. This is 2D logo. 2D logo. This is 2D logo. These are 2D. But we want to convert it to 3D. We can either convert it in two ways. Either you use photo P, or you use there's a video on photo P, how to convert 2D to 3D logo mockup using photo P. There's a video on it. Go and watch it. But I want to use the second method, which is what we called logoai.com. Just search for www.logoai.com. I believe you can see that, logoai.com. Use your browser, any browser of your choice, and you log in. You launch it. So when it's load, you select something like this. You select AI designer. Okay. And you allow it to load. So once you load, you select this logo mockup. You click on it. All right, it will ask you to upload the logo. Okay, then you click on upload logo. So the logo that we just designed, we want to mock it up now. How do we mock it up? So you go to the location where it is. This is it. So I've already selected it, and let's wait for it. You make sure you use your data connection, okay, for this. You allow it to be processed. You can see that your logo is being processed. This logo mockup, one thing I love about it is it will remove your background automatically. Normally, if you want to use photo P, you must remove the background of this logo first before you use photo P for it. But this one, it will help you remove the background automatically. So I think my network is kind of slow. I don't know why. That's one of the issues we have in Nigeria. So it will take you to another page. Once it's done, now you will now see different categories here. Let me just explain some of these categories why it load. Make sure you log into this logoai.com if it asks you to log in. So we see branding, apparel, device. That means it will mock your design on this on a device, on accessories, on we have a lot of them there. So you just select the one we want. So I will just go to logo effects. Logo effects. I want I want a logo template. That's the kind of template I want. So you select, you see that some of these design, some of them are not that clear. So select the one that are very clear. So don't just select anyhow design here. Okay, I've seen what is clear, like this one that is already mocked up here. Alright, good. I think I've seen another one that is very clear. I don't know why the network is just